say syllable, it is a single or unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. It usually contains a vowel and an accompanying consonant. It is easier to determine a syllable because it is referred to as a beat of a language. Syllable is equals to the number of vowel sound that you heard when you pronounce a word. Teacher, what do you mean again? When we say vowel sound, therefore we are referring to A, E, I, O, and U, or to the short vowel sounds which are A, E, I, O, U. Again, syllables are equals to the vowel sounds that you hear in a word. Teacher, can you please give us an example of that? Sure, let's try this one. How many syllables or how many vowel sounds can you hear from the word dog? Dog. Correct. There's only one vowel sound here. That is the sound of O. Dog. Very good. Therefore, there is also one syllable here. How about in the second word? How about in the word beat? Beat. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word beat? Correct. There's only one vowel sound here. Teacher, but there are two vowels here, the letter E and the letter A. Although there are two vowels here, okay, it doesn't mean that there will be two syllables here. Why? Because both letter E and letter A here are making only one sound. Again, we are referring only to the vowel sound. Do I make myself clear? Okay, one more. How about in the word cat? Cat. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word cat? Very good. There's only one vowel sound here. Ah. How about in this word? How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word candy? Candy. Very good. There are two vowel sounds here, okay? And those are the sounds of letter A and Y. Teacher, Y is not a vowel letter. Although letter Y is considered as a consonant, we are only referring to the vowel sound. And in the word candy, Y has the vowel sound of I, okay, which is E. Okay, that's the reason why there will be two vowel sound here. Candy, okay? And since there are two vowel sounds here, therefore there are also two syllables in the word candy. After knowing the number of vowel sounds in a word, we can actually divide the word into the number of syllables. And that is called syllabication. Syllabication is the art of forming or dividing words into syllables. Of course, to determine how can we divide a word, there are of course rules that we must follow. And here is rule number 1. Every syllable has one vowel sound, so the number of vowel sound in a word is equals to the number of syllables. Therefore, all you have to listen is the vowel sound of the word. Take a look at this example. Let's take a word rub. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word rub? Correct. There's only one vowel sound here, and that is correct. So how many syllables are here? 1. Very good. Number 2. How about in the word ball? Ball. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word ball? Correct. There's only one. How about in the word? Next example. Pillow. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word pillow? Very good. There are two vowel sounds here. What are the vowel sounds that you can hear? Very good. I and O. E, O. Pillow. Correct. Therefore, there are two syllables in the word pillow. Why? Because there are two vowel sounds here. Okay, very good. How about in the word button? Button. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word button? Correct. There are two. And what are those vowel sounds? U and O. What's the sound? On. Okay. And O. Very good. And O. Button. Okay. Correct. How about in this word? Maria. Maria. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word Maria? 3. Correct. Now what are those vowel sounds? A, I, and A. Correct. Last one. How about in the word gear? Gear. How many vowel sounds? Again, how many vowel sounds can you hear from the word gear? Very good. There's only one vowel sound here. Even though there are two vowels, they only make one sound. Therefore, there's only one syllable for the word gear. Do I make myself clear? Very good. Let's turn to rule number 2. Rule number 2. A one-syllable word is never divided. Of course, since it's already one, you cannot divide it into 2. That's impossible. Okay? Let's try this. Dog. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word dog? 1. What is that vowel sound? O. Should you still divide the word dog? No. Why? Because there's only one syllable here. There's only one vowel sound here. Correct. Next, number 2. How about in the word cat? How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word cat? Very good. There's only one, and that is the sound of A. Cat. Very good. Number 3 example. Bird. Bird. How many vowel sounds are here? 1. Therefore, how many syllables will be here? Okay, there's also one syllable. Very good. Next, rule number 3. Rule number 3 is that consonant blend or consonant digraphs or vowel digraphs should never be separated. Okay? Consonant blends are the b, l, b, black, b, r, br, brown, or digraphs sh, sh, ch. Okay, so those are the digraphs, and be reminded that you should not separate them. Here are some examples of consonant digraphs: sh, sh, ch, th, th or th, w, ng, ng, and of course consonant cluster: bl, bl, cr, kr, gl, gl, nt, nt, nk, nk. Okay, now whenever you see these letters, okay, and they are sitting beside each other and they are making sounds together, you should not separate them. Let's take a look to some example. Let's take a look onto the word shipper. Shipper has consonant digraph, the SH. Now, let us not divide them and let us syllabicate the word shipper. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word shipper? Very good. There are two. Okay? There are two vowel sounds here, and that is E and E. Now, how should we divide shipper? How should we divide shipper? Shipper. Very good. We'll be dividing it as shipper. Okay, correct. Next. How about the word weather? Weather. Be reminded that weather has a consonant digraph. What is that consonant digraph? Very good. The TH. Should we divide the TH? No. Now, how should we divide the word weather? Weather. Very good. It's weather. Weather. We didn't put or we didn't separate the letter T and the letter H because it's a consonant digraph. Correct. Another one. How about the word bladder? Bladder. How many vowel sounds can you hear from the word bladder? Very good. There are two, the A and E. Now, where should we divide bladder? Very good. In between two letter D, it will be bladder. Bladder. Amazing. How about the word cloud? Cloud. How many vowel sounds are there in the word cloud? Correct. There's only one vowel sound here. Should we divide it? No, teacher, because there's only one syllable here. Correct. You should not divide the word cloud because there's only one syllable here.